Hi, this is Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining, here to talk with you about the difference between paintbrushes. Today we're going to be looking at the different materials that paintbrushes are made up of. There's many options out there and we want to make sure we're using the right brush for the job. Paintbrushes come in a variety of different material and it's important to pick the right brush for your job. Nylon polyester is going to be your go-to brush for all your paints and stains. These come in a variety of different sizes and prices, so depending on what your project is and how much painting you do is going to determine which brush you buy. If you're only painting a room and you don't plan on doing any more, there's no point in spending $25 on a brush. If you think you're going to be doing more than a project here and there, spend the extra money. This brush is going to last you a long time. Our go-to is Purdy. This is our favorite brand of brush out there. We also like Corona. Worcester also has a comparable product, but Purdy is the one we usually use. The reason we like this, it has a stiff filament to it, so it's going to perform well, it's going to hold paint, and it can be used in a variety of different products. Other types of materials that brushes are made is going to be a natural bristle. These we always use for oil, okay? The reason we use these is they're going to be a lot softer, and they're not going to splatter when you're applying the paint. Purdy carries both a white and a black filament. We prefer the white bristle because it performs well, and whenever we're using our oil modified on our trim paints, this is our go-to brush. The other option out there is going to be 100% nylon. This is going to be a softer brush, which means it's going to hold more paint, but it really is only recommended for latex paints. If you're working with an oil or an oil modified, we suggest a natural bristle. This has been Dan with Golden Boys Painting and Staining. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tricks, and how-tos.